My name is Nanzigo Shabani. I'm from Likoni. I've recently finished Form 4 last year, and I'm now studying at Pwani Techno Girls Digital Literacy. I had this opportunity from my colleague who is also studying with me in the same institution. Most challenges I faced before joining the digital literacy, it was confidence, digital skills, and communication skills. And what I feared the most, it was approaching my colleague who I used to study with in this institution. But finally, here I am. I've gotten the confidence and the courage to stand before people. And this came through my mother's, because she motivated me and told me that everything is possible. The skills which I learned at Pwani Techno Girls is communication skills, business idea, Canva, Excel sheet, and all. These skills has really improved my confidence towards people, and it has really helped me in my life. And communication skills has really helped me build my confidence. With the skills I acquired at Pwani Techno Girls, it will help me in future to get online gigs such as data entry. With the communication skills training, it has really built my confidence in communicating with people outside. My future goals after studying digital literacy is to be self-employed and empower other girls who are outside there so that they can earn more confidence and be self-employed. To any young girl outside there who is afraid to join the tech world, just build your confidence, because it only takes one step at a time. Thank you.